Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can hide and unhide rows in Excel. So first things first, if you want to hide just one row in Excel, what you can do is simply select the row that you want to hide, right click and then hide. To then unhide the row, you can simply just go to this position here, right click, unhide, and that's our row back. If you want to select multiple rows, you can just simply drag down and again go through the same steps of right clicking, hide, and when you want to unhide it, then right clicking again. If you want to hide rows that are not consecutive, so what you can do is I'm just going to select this row here, then I'm going to hold down Command and select this row here. Then we can head over to the Home tab and head over to the Cells option, and within Format we have the option here to then hide the rows. So I'm just going to press Hide Rows, and as you can see there, as easy as that, we can then hide the rows. And then to unhide the rows, I'm just going to right click, unhide, and then doing that it will unhide both the rows that have been previously hidden, even though they're not consecutive. So yeah, very useful when you want to get a particular view of the data, and one I'd highly recommend using. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.